Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin ParkTech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about a new concept that is called as the percentile. Although it is a concept purely associated with the statistics, but we can use it in our artificial intelligence within the Python, so we can implement it here. So first we need to import one library that is called as the numpy library. Import numpy. If you are using it for the first time, then you need to go to File, Project Setup and Settings for New Projects. And here you need to click on Python interpreter and then the set sign, and here you need to write numpy and then click on Install Package. It can take a bit of time, like 5 minutes, and then you need to use it. Okay, after the installation of this numpy, we can define an array of data. Okay, this is just any random variable. Okay, you can write anything here and it will become a variable. It does not matter either you write air data or x or y or ABC. Okay, it's not a problem. So you need to write here numpy dot array, numpy, sorry. Okay, you are supposed to write data here directly, like 12, 34, 56, 78, 23, 98, 74, and like 66, 52, and 83, and all these values. Okay, or you can add some more values like 44, 38, and like this. Okay, so these are the values inside this air data. So what our percentile function will do? Okay, we can define a variable that is called as x. We can write numpy dot percentile and air underscore data, comma. Okay, now we need to find a specific value. Out of these value, we need a value, or we are going to find a value from which all the other values, all the other 80% values are less. Okay, you are getting this this a technical point. So you must have to listen that we want to find a value in this array of data from which 80% values are less, okay, so we will print it out, print of x. Okay, and which is the value? So it is 77.2. okay, it is 77.2. yes. Okay, or we can say 90. Okay, so it says 82.5. so air underscore data x is equal to numpy dot percentile air underscore data and print of x. Okay, now we will write here like 50 and we will see it. So it says 54. So 54 is the point, or 54 is the point, or 54 is the value out of from which all the 50% values are less, which are in this particular array. So in this way you can find your percentile within the Python. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.